Hi, I'm Ashley Gage, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make bookmark links, also called internal links. So first, let's start by opening up Sublime Text. And in our links, which we had open in last lesson, we're going to make a paragraph right below the H1 at the top of the page. And in this one, we're going to type jump to section 2. And then around that, inside the paragraph tags, we're going to make an anchor. And just leave the href blank for now, and make sure you close that inside the paragraph tags. Now below all of our content in the page, we are going to make some H2s, and let's type bookmark links, because that's what we're making. And we need some padding on our page, so let's just copy that and paste it a bunch of times. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now, right here, we're going to make an H1 and call it section 2. And now, to make it so we can link to this H1, we need to give it the ID attribute. And this is going to have quotes and an equal sign, just like our other attributes. And then in href, we are going to need to type a hashtag or a pound sign, and this is how you link to an ID. And as you can see, section 2 popped up for us because we wrote it in the ID down here. And now we also need some padding at the bottom of the page just to make this easier to see. And so we're going to paste bookmark links down there again. Save and refresh. And now you can see we have a ton of text on our page. There is section 2, which is the element we gave an ID attribute to. And when you click on the link that says jump to section 2, it brings the top of the page right to section 2. And this is very useful if you have a long page of text and you need to jump to a chapter or another section in your page. So now let's make another H1 right below links and just call it top and give it the ID top. And now at the bottom of the page, we're going to make a back to top link to get back up to the top of our page. And again, a href, and make sure the ID matches the element you want to link to, and then hit refresh, click your back to top link, and it jumps you to the word top. You could also put this on the word links if you want to jump to the very top of the page. And now it's time for the bonus lesson. So now we're going to teach you how to link to your own page. So linking to your own page is pretty useful because you can make a website and link to multiple pages. So below the word top, let's make an H3. Let's do H3 and type my first page. So we are going to be linking to the first project we made in HTML. So again, a link, a href, just leave it blank for now. Now, for this link, it's very important that you have all of your files in the same folder. And we're going to call that basic page.html because that name has to match the page we want to link to. And the case is important too. So save and click refresh on your page. And now you can see we have our new link. It is blue because we have never clicked this link before. And when you click it, it takes us to our first project that we made in HTML. Now you can also add the target attribute to this link because it will open in a new tab, and that is nicer a lot of the time. So just add target _ blank, refresh, and now it will take you to a new page. I hope you enjoyed our links video series, and I hope this was helpful. For more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, see you next time.